Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Yes? Did you finish your homework, all of you? Did you finish your homework? Now we are going to discuss about chapter 9, list, double, set, dictionary. List, double, set, dictionary. Okay. We already discussed in few topics. Now we are going to discuss about remaining topic. Now we are going to discuss about remaining topic. What are the topics? Sets operation. Set operation. Okay. Uh, Set operation. It is very important 5-mark question. It is very important 5-mark question. Okay. Repeatedly ask your exam. So watch this carefully. First one, you should know what is set operation. What is set operation? For this, as you learn mathematics, the Python supports sets operations. Okay, wow. The Python supports sets operation. Okay, did you understand what I am saying? In 10th standard and 11th standard, learn about set operations. In subject mathematics, the same thing it will be support in Python language. The same thing will support in Python language. First one is union. Okay, first one is union and second one is intersection and third one is difference and fourth one is symmetric difference. Okay. Say again. Union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference. Okay, what are the topics? Union, intersection and difference and symmetric difference. Okay, ma'am. Did you understand? Totally four types. What are the types? Union, intersection and difference and symmetric difference. First you should write the definition of set. Okay, first you should write the definition of sets. Set operations. Okay, ma'am. You already learned in 11th standard 10th sets. Yes, in mathematics 1 5-mark question, that same here also 1 5-mark question. That is very important 5-mark question. As you learn in mathematics, the Python will also support the set operation. Python will support the which operation? Set operation. Such as union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. You should must write the definition on your classwork note. You should must write the definition on your classwork note. Okay, wow? Okay, wow? You should must write the definition on your classwork note. Have you written, all of you? Have you written? Shall we move? Shall we move? Okay, the next one is union. First one is union. It includes all the elements from two or more sets. Okay. How many sets are available? Using it going to include all the elements. It is not going to skip. Any element is going to include point all the elements available in Python. The operator, all the elements in Python, which operator? Set operation, that is union. Okay. Unions of two sets. Okay. Otherwise, one or more method is used in the function. One or method is used in the function. It's also used to joining two sets. You know very well in set operation. You already learned in mathematics subject. Illaya? this union operator, we can join two sets. We can join two sets. Okay. Otherwise, one or more method is union function also used. Join two sets of function. Two sets of function. Okay. See this set diagram. You know the union diagram. They are given set A and set B. Union means A kulladukkum B kulladukkum. Did you understand what I am saying? It's going to include the elements, display all the elements. Otherwise, join the elements available in the sets. First one is union. It includes all the elements from two or more sets. How many sets are available using the? It's going to include all the elements. It's not going to skip any element. It's going to include all the elements available in Python. The operator union. Which operator? Union. This will be called as union of two sets. Otherwise, one or more method is used in the function and also use joining two sets. This union operator, we can join two sets. Otherwise, one or more method is union of function also used. Join two sets of function Python. Okay, see the diagram, set A and set B. What is the output? Okay, what is the output? It's going to include the element. What is the output? It is going to include the elements. Display the output. Join the elements available in the sets. Okay, this is the definition of union. It includes all the elements from two or more sets. Okay, here they are given two sets only. See this diagram, set A and set B. Here only given two sets. இதுல ரெண்டு சர்க்கிள் தானே இருக்கு. அதனால எப்படி டிஃபைன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க? set A and set B. Did you understand? In Python, the operator is used to union of two sets. The function union is also used to join two sets in Python. Did you understand? This is the union sets. This is the union sets. Okay, va? Okay, did you understand what I am saying? Okay. Okay, let's see the example. See this program. Set A equal to, you should give any value. You and the value write panico. Here book 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, set A value 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. For set also we should use the curly braces. Set also we should use the curly braces. You should study the difference between a list, double and sets. Okay. Sets we should use only curly braces. A pair of curly braces in the set B. A pair of curly braces in the set B. Look at this example. Set A value equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and set B value A, B, C, D. Okay. Here then use set. Okay, use set means set A union set B. This is union operation, so you should use union. U set equal to set A union set B. Normally we should use OR operator. But here what union operator? Here what is union operator? Set union operator set B, at least you are going to print the union set. you will have some question. Why is not proper order? Why it is not proper order? Already I have explained that during sets. Okay, set concept, it should be unordered collection of values. Set order should be unordered collection of values or elements. Elements means what is given as input, it should not be displayed as the output. It should not be displayed as the output. The same order of the values will be changed. Okay. First look at this. Set A equal to, they are given some value 2, 4, 6, 8. Set B equal to A, B, C, D. Okay, now we are going to join. Because read this question first of all. Program to join two sets using union operator. Use union operator use panni join panna porom. Okay, first we are declare A, we are set A ko some value, A some, set B some value. Okay, after that we should join A yum B yum join da panna porom. Edhi nama difference panla, symmetric panla and intersection panla. Only joining. Appo nee enna onnume panna vendam. 2, what are the output? 2, 4, 6, 8. Next A, B, C, D. This is your output. Okay. Next print U set. Okay, first set A declare panniyachi, set B declare panniyachi. After that U set, union set equal to set A, set B. Union set equal to set A, set B. Illaya? Set A, set B. Appo nama enna panna union rendu join panni write panniyachi. Appo print next we should print the value. What are the values? U set equal to, you know illaya, 2, 4, 6, 8. After A, B, C, D, what are the values? What are the values? What is the output? 2, 4, 6, 8 and A, B, C, D. This is your output. First we should declare set A, set B declare பண்ணிருக்கோம். அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? யூனியன் பண்ண போறோம். அப்போ U set A union set B. After அந்த அது எதை print பண்ண போறோம்? யூனியன் செட்டை print பண்ண போறோம். அப்போ நம்ம என்ன கொடுக்கணும்? print use union set. What are the output? அது ரெண்டையும் join பண்ண வரணும் இல்லையா? That is the output. Did you understand? Okay, first you should write this program. Listen carefully. This is one 5-mark question. Okay, I already told. Okay, shall we move? Shall we move? Okay, next one is intersection. Next one is intersection. In second one, intersection. It includes the common element. It includes the common element in two sets. It includes the common element in two sets. Okay, two sets are available in that two sets. Which element should be common? That alone will be printed on the screen. The operator intersection, normally we will call this operator, but here we are going to use this before this intersection operator. This is intersection operator. Intersection is used to intersect two sets. In Python, one or more method, the function intersection is also used to intersect two sets in Python. The first method, we can see this operator and intersect. Another method is intersection of the function will be used to see in the diagram. Okay, see in the diagram first. Intersection. Both are common. Okay, set A ku set B ku enna value common ah irukko adha nama write pananum. That is the concept of intersection. Did you understand? Set B is available. What are the elements available in the set B? Which are common to the both sets will be displayed as the output. Okay va? Okay. In second, the intersections of values will be changed. Sorry. In second, the intersection, it includes the common element in two sets. Okay va? Two sets are available in the two sets. What are which element should be common? That alone will be printed on the screen. The operator intersection, normally we will call this on AND operator. Okay, but here we are going to use this before this intersection operator. Okay, the operator intersection is used to intersect two sets in Python. One or more method, the function intersection is also used to intersect two sets in Python. The first method, we can use operator in intersect. Another method is intersections of the function. Okay, another method is intersection of the function. Will be used in this diagram. Set A is available and set B is available. What are the elements available in the set A, set B, which are common to the both set will be displayed as output. Okay, first this is important question. You should must write in your classwork note. Okay, write neatly. After finish this class, you should must study this 5-mark question. That is very important 5-mark question. Sometimes நமக்கு luck இருந்துச்சுனா பப்ளிக்கு வரலாம். Okay, easy only. First, what is that? You know that நமக்கு என்ன தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும், இந்த கான்செப்ட் என்ன தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும் இல்லையா? It includes the common element. It includes the common element in two sets. Okay va? The operator AND is used to intersect two sets in Python. The function intersection is also used to intersect two sets in Python. Very, very important question. Have you written, all of you? Have you written? Write பண்ணியாச்சா? Don't sleep. Manuel, are you listening? Okay, shall we move? Okay, let's see the program. Set A, some value A equal to A 2 4 D. Okay, then set B equal to some value A B C D. In this we have used this operator. What operator? Intersect operator. What operator? Intersect operator. Now print of set A intersect set B. Print of set A intersect and set B. Okay, which are common? Which are common? You can see this. Which are common? Which are common? Okay, Here, look at this example. A has some value. Set A has some value. What are the values? What are the values? Set A, 2, 4, D. Set A, 2, 4, D. This is the value of set A. Okay. Next is set B. What are the set B value? A, B, C, D. This is the value of set B. Next we have to move print. Intersect means common value. We need a common, intersect means we need a common value. Next you should print the set A and set B. Look at this two sets, set A and set B. Which value are common? Look at this, A is common, Ilya. A, that is the common value. After that, set A have 2 value, and after that set B have B. This is not common. So just you ignore it. After look at this 4 and C. This is the common value or not? This also not common value. Just you ignore. After D is the common value. D is the common value. Is it? D is the common value. Yes or no? Oh, then what are the output? A and D is the output. What are the output? A and D is the output. Okay, did you understand what I am saying? Okay. Set A has some value. What are the values? I already explained briefly. Yeah. Set B equal to some value. இந்த ரெண்டிலும் காமனா என்ன வேல்யூ இருக்கோ அதுதான் நம்ம எடுக்க போறோம். ஓகேவா? பிரிண்ட் என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? பிரிண்ட் செட் A and செட் B. இந்த ரெண்டுக்கு உள்ள காமன் வேல்யூ என்ன? நீ செக் பண்ணு, என்ன வேல்யூவா இருக்கு? A and D. Did you understand? Write this program. Okay, let's see the another one example. As same, you should consider set A and set B. What is the value of set A? You should declare any value. Okay, what is the value of set A? You should declare any value. In the book they are given A, 2, 4, D. Okay, the set B, A, B, C, D. Intersection means you should take only common value. Okay, intersection means you should take only common value. Silya, normally in the maths we should take like that. In the Python language also you should take same. Intersection function inside the function. Okay, intersection function inside the function define intersection function if define the inside function. Okay, adu ulla irundhu edukudhu. Now it's going to display the output. A and D. Why? Because this two element is common. This two elements only common. I already explained briefly. Okay, this is in the function kulla irundhu edukkuradhu intersection function, and this is intersection operator. Let's see the difference print set A and set B. This is before one example. Print set A and set B and print set A dot intersection set B. This is the difference. The statement only different. Set A and set B. What is the common value? A is the common value and D is the common value. Okay, right. Have you written? Okay. Different. Okay. We are going to discuss different. It includes all the elements that that are in first set, okay, that are in first set, okay, such as set A but not in second set, but not in second set, but not in second set, refers to, we can say this, the set B, okay, it's going to display all the elements which are available inside the set, which are available inside the set A. It is not set B. It is not a set B. This is the, this one different for this. We are going to use the minus operator. We are going to use the minus operator. Which operator? Minus operator. It's used to different set of operations in Python, okay. The minus operator is used to find the difference set operation in Python. Set operation in Python. And different, we are going to discuss different in when it includes all the elements that are in the first set, okay, such as set A, set A, but not in second set. Here the second set is referred to, we can say the set B. It's going to display all the elements which are available inside the set A. It is not set B. This is one difference. For this we are going to use the minus operator. Which operator? Minus operator is used to different set of operation in Python, okay. The minus operator is used to find the difference. Minus operation is used to find the difference, illaya? Look at this diagram. Okay, it includes all the elements that are in first set, okay. They took set A but not in the second set. The minus operator is used to different set operation. Different set operation in Python. The function different is also used to be different operation. Okay, first write the example. You should must draw the diagram also. Union, intersection, now difference. Union, intersection, now difference. Yeah. Union, intersection, now difference. Have you written? I hope you all are written. Yes. Let's see the example. Set A have some value and set B have some value. Now we are going to print set A and set B, such as what operator? Minus operator. I already told here difference. Okay, what operator we are used? Minus operator. Set B here we are used in minus operator. But see this set. Set A have A, 2, 4, D. Yes, and set B has A, B, C, D. Okay, print of set A minus set B. The print of set A minus set B. Okay. What is the operator here? What is the operator here? Difference operator is used here. We are going to use the difference of function. We are going to use the difference of function. Okay. Then set B. Let's see the output for this. A is available in set B. Then 2 is not available in the set B. Okay, first A is available in set A. Sorry, 2 is not available in set B. So 2 will be displayed as output. Then 4 is not available in set B. So 4 will be printed on the screen. D is available here. So the element which are not present set B comparing to set A will be printed on the screen. The value of element A and D is available in set B. 2 4 not available in set B. It's going to display the output. Okay va? First we should consider set A only. Okay va? We already discussed in definition. Just look at first நம்ம இங்க set A க்கு some value கொடுத்திருக்கோம், set B க்கு some value கொடுத்திருக்கோம். Okay va? After print set A minus set B. இங்க நம்ம என்ன கன்சிடர் பண்ணிருக்கோம்னா set A கன்சிடர் பண்ணிருக்கோம். அதனால that means you should take only set A value. Okay? A is available on both sides. So just ignore it. Okay? Next 2 is you check. 2 is available on set B and 2 is not available on set B. Okay? 4 is available on set A and 4 is not available on set B. So you should take only 2 value. In the value available இல்லையோ you should take like that. இங்க என்னது A இருக்கு, இங்க A இருக்கு. So don't take. Here 2 இருக்கு, இங்க இல்ல. So you should take. Here 4 இருக்கு, இங்க இல்ல. You should take. D இருக்கு, D இருக்கு. நம்ம இங்க என்ன வேல்யூ பார்க்கறோம்? set A வேல்யூ மட்டும் பார்க்கறோம். அதனால நீ என்ன மட்டும் எடு? set A குள்ள அவுட்புட் மட்டும் எடு. Did you understand what I'm saying? Okay, right. Have you written all of you? The next one is symmetric difference. Okay. இதில வந்து we should consider set A and set B. Don't take common value. Okay, don't take common value. You should take other values. Okay, இதில காமனா இருக்க வேல்யூ எடுக்க கூடாது. We should take only another value. Did you understand what I'm saying? Okay, it includes all the elements that are in two sets. Say set A and set B. Look at this diagram. The page number is 161. Did you understand? But not in the one that are common to two sets. It includes all the elements. That are in two sets. Say set A and set B, but not common two sets இல்லையா? நம்ம set A கொடுத்திருக்கோம், set B கொடுத்திருக்கோம். இதுக்கு நம்ம common value கன்சிடர் பண்ண கூடாது. This is the symmetric difference definition. Write this. The cap operator is used to symmetric difference set operations in Python. The function symmetric difference is also used to the same operation. ஒரு function குள்ளே function create பண்ணி பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம் இல்லையா? In the exam you should write any one program. Okay? Set operation write பண்ணோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் union definition and diagram. After take one program. After you should write one program. Next intersection also same definition, diagram, one program, and difference, definition, diagram, one program, and symmetric difference also definition, diagram, one program. Okay? Have you written all of you? I hope you all are written. Yes? Set A has some value. What are the values? You should give any value, and set B also you should use any value. Okay? After that, print set A cap set B. Okay, what is the meaning of set B cap? Because this is symmetric difference. Okay? Set A has some value and set B has some values. Okay va? Set A has some value and set B has some value. After you should print set A and set B. Print set A and set B. What are the output? Set A ல இருக்குறதுலயும் B ல இருக்குறதையும் காமனா இல்லாதத ரைட் பண்றதா என்னது? symmetric difference. Okay வா? A ல இருக்க வேல்யூ B ல இருக்கிற வேல்யூ என்ன செய்ய கூடாது? காமனா இருக்க கூடாது. Did you understand? அப்போ say 2 is not common, 4 is not common, B is not common, and C is not common. This is your output. Do you understand what I am saying? Easy only day. This is your 5 mark question. Okay. Your practical program. This is your practical program. Okay. Listen carefully. Program using sets. Okay. Set E1 equal to set of x into 2 for x in range of 1 comma 11. We have used a operator which set operation. Okay, wow. Next one, prime. Prime equal to set it denoted the set for I in range. I in range equal to 2 comma 20. J equal to 2 and F equal to 0. These are what? This is what? Variable. Variable declaration. We have assigned the values. We have assigned the values of while loop. J less than I means I refer to the range of value. I refer to the range of value. It denotes from 2. It's denoted from 2. It will be less than I means, for example, J value is 2. Less than starting value of I less than 2 means it should be divided by, otherwise you should skip this loop. Part once is the condition is true means it's going to divide divided by 2. Then it will move to the if condition. It will move the if condition. What is the condition of if? What is the condition for if I modulus j equal to 0? Okay. So what is the I value? What is the I value? 2 is the I value. 2 is the I value and modulus j value is 2. And modulus j value is 2 equal to 0. It's going to check a condition whether it's going 0 or what. If it is true means the condition is true, it will assign the value of 2. It is assigning the value of F2. Then J value will be incremented by 1. Okay. If 2 is available here, consider this the value of J will be incremented by 1. How will you write this? J equal to J plus 1. If F equal to 0 means the value of F equal to 0 means it's going to do this operations primes. What is the prime? What do you mean by prime value? You know very well about prime values. 1 is the prime value and 2 is the 1 ஆலையும் இப்போ 1 1 ஆல டிவைட் ஆகலாம், 2 2 ஆல டிவைட் ஆகலாம், 3 3 ஆல 1 ஆலையும் டிவைட் ஆகும், 3 ஆலையும் டிவைட் ஆகும் இல்லையா? எதெல்லாம் 1 ஆலையும் அந்த வேல்யூஸ் ஆலையும் டிவைட் ஆகுதோ அதுதான் என்ன வேல்யூ? பிரைம்ஸ் வேல்யூ. ஓகே. It's going to print even numbers, then print of prime numbers. We can get this from prime for even number. We can use this even. Then prime means we can use prime the print union using this even. Union of prime. We are going to display the union. This is even. Union of that is the function name inside the prime will be used. Okay. We will consider as it is set. Refers to set A. Union of primes refers to set B. Okay. This set A prime refers to set B. Now we are going to find out the union. Using set even set B. Next prime union B intersection. Next the difference of primes. The last one is print of symmetric difference of prime. Next we see the output. Until that one it's going to take what are the even numbers. What are the you should take 1 to 20 because we already declare range 2 to 20. Yes, the range is 2 to 20. Upon see the prime number 2 is 1 ஆல divide ஆகும் 2 ஆல 3 4 and 5 7 11 13 17 19. This is the prime values. Even number you should give the even numbers 2 to 20. After prime numbers, after union means even numbers and prime number, you should write together. Next intersection means even number லையும் prime number லையும் என்ன value common ஆ இருக்கோ அந்த value write பண்ணுவோம். Difference means you should take a value only, and symmetric difference means எது common ஆ இருக்கோ அதை neglect பண்ணிட்டு common ஆ இல்லாததை write பண்றது தான் symmetric difference. Did you understand what I am saying? This is your 5 mark question. Okay, sorry, this is your practical question. This is your practical question. Did you understand? What do you mean by prime numbers? What do you mean by prime numbers? Okay, right, all of you? Have you written, all of you? Have you written? Okay, shall we move? Topic is dictionaries. Okay, we already discussed list, double, sets. Now we are going to discuss about dictionary. Okay, ma? Dictionary. First we will see about the definition for dictionary in Python. A dictionary is a mixed collection of elements. Okay, wow. Here dictionary means normally any need a particular word will refer the dictionary. Okay, நமக்கு ஏதோ ஒரு particular word வேணும்னா we should find the dictionary இல்லையா? It stores collection of meaning. It's related to the words. It's going to display the meaning. Same the programming language. Python refers to a mixed collection of elements. Mixed collection of elements. Unlike otherwise collection of data types such as list or doubles, the dictionary types store a key. It's very important to dictionary types. Store along with the elements. Okay. Apart from list concept, your double concept, see set concept and dictionary type along with the element. The keys Python dictionary is separated by a colon. Okay, normally a set of value will be given means it should be separated by comma. It's separated by comma, but dictionary concept we are introducing the keys. Okay, key is also the element. It should be separated using the colon. While the work is separated for elements. Okay, using this colon we are going to separate this, and the elements are this is to separate the elements in the dictionary. The key of value of var or enclosed with the curly braces. Okay, if you are defining a key, you should be enclosed with the curly braces. We know enclosed with the curly braces. Okay, va? Write the definition of dictionary. In Python, a dictionary is mixed collection of elements. Unlike other collection of data types such as list, doubles, the dictionary store a key along with the list elements. A Python dictionary is separated by a colon, while the commas work as separated for the element. The key values para enclosed with curly braces. Okay, va? See the syntax. For defining a dictionary, first we have to give the dictionary name. Okay, dictionary name equal to, already I told the key value will be enclosed using the pair of curly braces. Yes or no? So we have to open this curly braces. Then key 1. See, now we are notice the difference between the dictionary and list. Double concept is a list. Double is just value alone will give the dictionary. We have introduced the key. First we should introduce the key. Just you should think definition of list, double and sets. Value 1 refers to element and key refers to the key value. It should be separated such as colon. The next one, key 2, value 2 till to the key up to nth value. Key value is nth. After that, I have to close the curly braces. The next one, in the dictionary must be using unique. Unique means what should be separated by 1. It should be a repeated thing inside the dictionary and case sensitive. It is a case sensitive. We are defining the uppercase. Consider uppercase, lower case means it should be considered a lower case. அது எதை மட்டும் தான் கன்சிடர் பண்ணும், லோயர் கேஸ் மட்டும் தான் கன்சிடர் பண்ணும். we are calling as case sensitive. Okay, this is the case sensitive. In Python type, we can value Python type here to the value stuffers, integer type, float. Here we know the types: integer, float type, string type. The valid Python simple data type. Dictionary first dictionary name. Appo key 1 value 1. After key 2 value 2. எவ்வளோ வேல்யூ வரைக்கும் கொடுக்கணும், key n value n. Okay, must என்ன கொடுக்கணும், here curly braces. Okay, see the difference, double, sets, list. Okay va? Okay, your homework is you should make 10 fill-ups and intersection diagram. Sorry, you should make 10 fill-ups. Okay, your homework is you should make 10 fill-ups and definition of union, one program. Definition of, you should write that full 5 mark question. Okay, only 5 fill-ups and that is 5 mark question. That is very very important. திருப்பி ரைட் பண்ண நமக்கு அந்த क्वेश्चन அப்படியே நல்லா புரிஞ்சிரும். ஓகேவா?